As the BMP-1 has such low roof armor, even high explosive dual-purpose grenades penetrate all over, making every hit to be possibly fatal for the vehicle. As the drone operator hits 2 times, one of the grenades starts a chain reaction inside, starting an internal fire which causes some ammunition to burn up, completely destroying the vehicle, exchanging 2 cheap grenades against a BMP-1, showing how easily a Ukrainian drone can take out a BMP with high explosive dual-purpose grenades, taking out another of Russia's vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.